The world's famous news media, such as the BBC, Time magazine, The Wall Street Journal, and The Washington Post have all named the metal type printing as the greatest invention in human history. And there is the Gutenberg 42-line Bible, the first book printed with metal types in the West. In the Middle Ages, before the invention of the metal type, books were the exclusive property of a selected few, such as the king and priests. However, with the advent of metal type printing method, mass production of books became possible, and information containing knowledge about culture, arts, and human history started spreading rapidly to the public. Consequently, the West underwent an upheaval of society, such as the Renaissance, the Reformation, Civil Revolution, and the Industrial Revolution, which brought about the biggest change in human history. However, the country that actually invented the metal type before anyone else was Korea. Jikji, the oldest book in existence printed by movable metal type, is listed on the Register of UNESCO Memory of the World. Jikji was printed with metal type 78 years before Gutenberg's 42-line Bible, the first book printed in the West using movable metal type. This shows that Korea's printing technique has literally changed the course of world history. Korea's printing industry, the proud successor of the inventors of metal type, is the world's 10th largest, with the production output of about $10 billion, 18,000 businesses, and 70,000 employees. With the beginning of the information age and development of printing technology, customers' wants are diversified and the consumer's needs are gentrified. To adapt to this change, the Korean printing industry is preemptively responding to customers' needs by modernizing printing equipment and peripherals. A few examples are color management system, automatic ink supply equipment, automatic printing plate exchange, and adopting special printing methods such as screen, metal, hologram, and flexographic printing. Korea is especially well known for its excellence in the ultralight tissue paper printing technique, which requires high level of skills, printing Bibles for more than 100 countries in the Middle East, Africa, Eastern Europe, and China. The printed matter produced through Korean printing techniques remains abreast with foreign competitors, with exports being sent all over the world, such as the United States, Japan, China, and many other European and African countries. In 2010, the volume of exports reached $300 million, and now the printing industry's great export potential is recognized. The Korean printing industry aims to become the world leader of printing industry. The first competitive edge that the Korean printing industry has is that it can respond aggressively to the rapidly changing trend with over 14,260 units of state-of-the-art equipment that meets the standards of the digital era. Secondly, Korea's post-process facilities such as binding, cutting, and coating machine possess a competitive edge globally and have been exported to the world market. Therefore, various high-quality post-processing is possible when the printed materials are in the coating, perforation, hologram production, cutting, and binding processes. Thirdly, since various types of world-class printing paper and ink are being produced domestically, production of printed goods is smooth, and the cost of production is reasonable. Also, the Korean printing industry reflects the worldwide trend of environment-friendly printing, operating its entire process of printing in an eco-friendly manner by developing environment-friendly paper and ink, such as non-timber pulp paper and soy ink. Fourthly, the Korean printing industry is a typical urban industry with 65% of the businesses being concentrated in Seoul and metropolitan areas. Because of this, consultation, production, and shipment can be done quickly and efficiently. Lastly, printing technology development and the training of printing experts is achieved through the government's support system based on the Print Culture Industry Promotion Act. The fusion of printing techniques and information technology enabled printing on various print materials, such as construction materials, panels for household appliances. Different fabrics is taking place, as there is a saying that everything besides air and water is printable. Printing culture industry is experiencing remarkable advancement. Korea will lead the 21st century printing industry that is evolving into the high-tech industry by continuous research and development. Korea printing technology is striving to become the world leader by adopting state-of-the-art printing techniques and innovating tirelessly. Korea's printing culture, which has pioneered the world market through high quality and price competitiveness, will continue to make leaps forward and shape a new future.